Hey there, homesteaders and treehouse builders, DIY enthusiasts. Today we're taking a little break from our sauna project. It's a beautiful day, but I had to wait for some materials, ran out of metal and a couple other things. So I was thinking to do a project that I've been meaning to do for a little while, which is make a table in the picnic area in my one of my rental cabins. And so what I wanted to do is I have all these pieces of locust stumps that I had saved years ago, and they're really cool looking figuration on them. And is it even a word, figuration? Well, we're going to look it up later. But you got the cool roots and everything, and I always thought they'd make some really great tabletops. And I've got a bunch of them, different pieces here. But what I'm looking for is something with enough character. Ta-da! This one right here, and beautiful character in this one. And I wish I would have cut it a little bit longer. I left a little bit longer piece on because what I want to do is flip it over. This is going to be the top side, and that's the bottom. And I didn't have quite. This isn't quite long enough to really bury it as deep as I'd like to make, because it's going to. This part of the table is going to cantilever out, and it's going to be a lot of stress down here to want to tip over or pull out of the ground. So what I did, what I'm starting to do here, I took my chainsaw, ta-da, and cut a little notch in here, and put another piece of locust here, and I'm in the process of drilling the holes to pin it, when I thought, I should make a video. Why do I always forget until the last minute? I don't know. I guess because these ideas just come up suddenly. So yeah, I want to make a video here of this because I think it'll look pretty cool. But it's going to take a couple times to get it finished. But today we're going to get the post set and see if we can level it off. So here we go. Everything about locust is hard. It's hard to cut. It's hard to drill. It's hard to pound a nail into when it's dry. When it's green, it's not so bad. But so this is tough going. There we go. So the bottom is effectively going to be like a dead man in the ground. That's why it stretches out wider. And that's going to go, this is where the table's going to go, picnic table, in this little breezeway thing here. And I've got a little bit of the hole started. Nice long trench to accept the dead man. And Okay, so let's see. Got enough width there. What I thought was going to be some easy digging, because this was all gravel I had put in here years ago, wasn't so easy because it was still a little bit frozen. So I got through that. But okay, so I got the depth I needed. Let's put it in place.
Thanks for watching. We'll put the tabletop and the benches on and finish things off in the next part 2.